Do-It-Yourself Gourmet presents How to Cook Beef Flank Steak. In this video, we've got 7.5 minutes of high heat steak cooking condensed into about a minute. So I'm going to be moving at a brisk clip. What you're going to do is start with the pan on high heat. If it's a non-stick pan, then you don't need to have any oil for this. If it is a stainless steel, go ahead and use about a tablespoon of canola or sunflower, something with a very high smoke temperature so that you can use the high heat. Once the high heat is on and the pan has been preheated, go ahead and toss that flank steak on with the sprig of rosemary underneath it. Now, when you cook this through, you're going to flip it from time to time over from side to side. The first, you're going to start 2 minutes on each side, and then you're going to lower the heat down and you're going to cover it, and you're going to cook it for a couple of more extra minutes on that low heat. And what that's going to do is allow the steak to even out its temperature before you go on to the other stages where you bring the heat back up again in order to finish it off here at the end. There will be a couple of times when you take it off and check it, the steaming with the lid on is going to help it retain its juicy moisture on the inside without losing it to all the char and bluster that goes on when you get too much crispy action going on the outside. When you have it done, you're going to let it rest for about 3 or 4 minutes. That way the meat can get itself evened out, and from there you can slice it and serve it any which way you like. Do it yourself gourmet, folks. We'll see you next time.